What's going on? You got Courtney's here. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to use Power Lead System lead capture pages. So pay attention, because if you're an affiliate marketer, internet marketer, or a network marketer, this is going to be very helpful. So let me flip my screen. So a Power Lead System, actually, let me talk to you a little bit more. I'm going to kind of ad-lib, just kind of go with the flow in this video and show you how to use the back office, the tools, and the features of the Power Lead System, and how you can get quick bottom line results for your business. I'm a practical oriented trainer, not here to waste your time. The purpose of this video, like I said, is to teach you and show you how to generate leads, but not just give you generic training, but to actually show you. So that's the difference between me and a lot of people. You'll see is a lot of my screen share videos like this, haven't done one in a while, is I really like to get into it, get into the product, actually using the tools, and promoting the customer side of things with Power Lead System. So obviously, if you already know you don't want Power Lead System, go away, click away from the video or whatever. But if you're open to it, or you're curious, what is this thing, Power Lead System? I'm going to explain a little bit about what that means, what it is overall, and just how you can also benefit from it in a number of ways. So with that said, let me flip my camera. So this is a back office. I want to show you guys how to log in. If you sign up and you do create like a free account, like a 7-day trial, if you actually go to mycompanyadmin.com, you can log in there with your user details and log right in. And what I'm going to show you is how to use the capture pages. So anytime you're trying to use the website builder, you pretty much want to hover over the website tab at the top. And this is the old menu. I like the old menu versus like this here is the new menu. So either one works, but I'm going to use the old menu. So you hover over websites. Anytime you want to make a page, the easiest is usually to copy the web page. And the other way is you can create a web page. So they're all really the same thing. You're creating a website. They give you different options: custom, blank. This would be for advanced. One that does not use an opt-in form, so that would be a sales page. One that uses an opt-in, that would be a lead capture page. So this is the purpose of today's video. So any of these templates are good and ready to go. You can use these. They got already made templates, and you can kind of I think you can customize these as much as you want, except for maybe the background here. I think in the background in some of these, I don't know if you can customize it, but anyhow, those are some options. The other way is if you click websites while that loads, and then you go to the top right-hand corner. Top right-hand corner says click here for more choices. I like to go here, and I'll tell you why. Because when you go here, it says that these are mobile responsive capture pages. So I think these are more of the updated versions of the capture pages in the website templates. So I like to come here. For today's video example, to keep it quicker and cleaner to the point, I'm going to use lead capture page 2 as an example. And I'll actually show you the 2 examples they give you. This is what you can do. Pretty nice looking, capture page for like, a dog owner, or if you have a dog business of some sort, dog grooming business. The other one, let's see, actually it's the same thing. Okay, I guess they're both the same. They used to have 2 different examples, but anyway, we're gonna do lead capture page 2. This is the lead capture page. This is the same lead capture page that I use right here for my free Twitter training. And this is something that I've used to generate hundreds of leads right here from this capture page. You can put in the timer, which probably helps. It is, obviously fake, so it's dependent upon what you want to do with that, ethics wise or whatever, but I took it out to keep it even more realistic, and to the point. So anyway, they both work, but this is the template. So if you're in your back office and you want to create this lead capture page, what you do is you grab this code. So pay attention to this point. You highlight it and you can copy that code, and then in your back office, which is the place that you sign in, if these terms are confusing, back office, your home screens where you sign in or whatever, you go to my account. So I'm showing you a quick tutorial. Then you click my sharing codes, and when you do that, you can actually copy and paste the code right here and click submit. Now I've already done that up here. Let's see, lead capture 2. So you can see I've already submitted it. So then what I want to do is go back to websites, click it or whatever. That's going to work. And then I want to click, you know what? I want to click copy. I want to click copy web page. Website, copy web page, go to website, then web pages, copy web pages. So it's really straightforward. So if you signed up today, you know exactly how to do it. Then you hover down underneath the shared choices. Now your back office is going to be a lot cleaner because you're not like, it's going to be easier to navigate because you're going to have a lot less, you know, pages in here. But the longer you use it, the easier it gets. Just like with anything, the more you do it, the easier it gets. So I'm going to click lead capture 2 email only. I could also select name and email and name, phone, and email. So it's your choice. Now I'm going to give you guys some tips here. Once I copy this, I'm going to flip it back to my face and give you guys some actual training today too. So I mean, this is all training, but give you guys some more tips here. When it comes to generating leads, this is a big tip. Now, the more information you ask for, the less leads you're going to get. It's just the way it works. The less people will want to put in more information. So the less information that you ask for, the more leads you're going to get. So I like to just focus on collecting emails. I'm just trying to get someone's email. I don't even need to get their name. Now, it depends. You might also want to collect someone's name and their email to, you know, to market to them better in a more personal way. Excuse me. And when you send emails, you will be able to use like a name in the email broadcast. So you can use like, I forget what it's called, like the variables. You can put in their name and it automatically says, you know, the name of the subscriber. So it makes it more of a personal. Now you can ask for phone number too if you decide to actually call people. But if you don't pick up the phone and call people, then there's really no point to be asking for that information as well. It's going to be, phone number is going to like go way down. Like you're going to get way less leads unless it's like a very specific offer. But so you're aware of it, those are the options that you get with basically every one of these web pages. And that's some training for what to kind of, you know, how to use them. So let's get back in here. So when you're editing your web page, keep this quick and fun. What you can do is you can name it and stuff. You can quickly create a subdomain and point this to whatever you want. So I'm going to do like example video today. Like that's a subdomain that I just created. So I'm going to hover down all the way to the bottom, click Save Changes. You can hook up like an email autoresponder if you want. That's an option. You can select any background that you want. So I'm going to click in here to show you guys, okay, here's the different backgrounds you can choose from. You know what? Let's go with this background. Use whatever background you want. And then when you come here, it says edit sales page text, but it's really a lead capture page text. So you go here and you can change the text. Now you can change this however you want. You can make it bigger, you can make it black, you can change the color. So how to use PLS lead capture pages, something like that, to generate leads online. So that could be like a header, and then I could go here and I could change this. Let's see, let me grab the quotes. I could change the size, show you guys here. I can make it bigger. I could just see, make it smaller, so you get an idea. You can even make it blue. So it's really, really simple to do that. Let's see here. You might not want to mess with this part. Well, you can delete this if you want. You can just go in here and delete it. Let's see here. So I'm just going to leave it for now. So obviously I would make this bigger though, but I just wanted to show you guys an example. You can change the color, the text, the size, all that different stuff. So whatever you're using to promote it for, etc. I don't think you want to touch this stuff in here. You don't even want to click in there. It's gonna like mess up your page. So just click the side, try to scroll the cursor down. Let's see here. Okay, so I'm just gonna click save. Save changes. Let me go back because I want to see if there's a way I can go all the way to the bottom. Okay, so there's nothing at the bottom really. So we're set. So then you click view your web page. You can view it, and voila, it's a decent little looking page there. Just click, off the top of my head. So you can make a capture page like that. And then remember, when someone puts in their email for you beginners and they click continue, let's just do it as an example. For every one of Power Lead System capture pages, they're gonna have this bot. So then you have to put in, you have to fill this thing in. Then it's gonna bring them to your next page, the video or whatever. And that's how you do it. So you'll be building your email list that way. What I've done to personally generate, I've got like 1,300 leads here in my contact manager. I'm not going to click it. I don't want to, show you people's info. But here, what I've done is I've gone to Twitter. And what I'll do on Twitter is I'll follow new people every day. So I'll go to Twitter. I'll follow new people every day that are like following Tai Lopez, liking Grant Cardone stuff. And I'll reach out to people. And I'll actually reach out to them. And I'll say, thanks for the follow. And then I'll talk to these people and I'll say, would you like some free training? And I'll send them over the link, right? It's amazing, right? It's really simple. I'll send them over the link to this page, and they'll put in their email, and I'll generate an email list that way. And I actually have a Twitter course. I have a Twitter course that is on the next page. It's like a free value page that doubles over as a sales page. So they watch the training, and then if they want to buy the course, they can click the buy automatically through the button to get started. And it's only $19.95, and I made a lot of sales that way to bring in cash flow and to build my list, my buyer list, which your buyer list is the most important list that you're going to have online. So let me say that again. Your buyer list is the most important list you're going to have online, because when you have a buyer's list, that is a list of customers that know and trust you enough to have given you their money. All right? So when you have a list like that, you can go back to them again and again and again and offer them other products, other services, higher programs, upsells, cross-sells, downsells. So for instance, someone comes in and they buy my course. I thank them. I give them, some time to go through the course, but then I say, hey, do you need any other help, basically? Like, would you also want me to add you some followers? Would you also be interested in coaching, like one-to-one? I'll go from there. Or I might recommend them, hey, have you checked out the Power Lead System or the Lead Lightning marketing system? If you don't have something to sell on Twitter yet, and you're using this training to start generating leads, or you're thinking, I need to do this to generate leads, but I don't actually have something to sell. Well, Power Lead System is something that you can sell. When you're starting out brand new, it's a business in a box that gives you the tools and the training to start making money selling anything. So that's the big unique value is you can use this to sell your own thing. Like I'm giving you example. You can use this to sell like your own course. Like if you created some kind of a course, like I did. Or you might be an affiliate for some kind of a course, some kind of a marketing course. So you can use Power Lead System to generate leads to sell your course or whatever you do. And I'll show you quickly here how that works. In the back office, if you signed up, so if you created a free trial, and as a customer, it's only $1 a day, $30 a month, $1 a day. You wanna log in. You click this easy button. When you click that button, you go here, and you can put in your company's link. This is whatever your primary opportunity is. You can put in whatever your main thing is you're trying to sell online. This could be an affiliate link. It could be your MLM referral link. It could be like a link to your course like I have. Like this is a link to my value video and a sales page. So they watch this value video, they see some testimonials, and then they buy. They click this to buy if they want to get the course, which explains in the video. If you want more training, get my course below, basically. And so you can do that by putting in whatever link you want right here. When you put your link in, PLS is going to advertise it for you. They're automatically going to advertise, it's called your referral link B. So your referral link A will be just promoting like the Power Lead System, Lead Lightning system. It's the same thing really, it's just different versions. Your referral link B will be this one, and it has differences between these two. This one has an email autoresponder that will automatically market Lead Lightning and your primary business. So when someone opts into a capture page, like right here, when they opt into a page right here, like you'd have to set it up, it looks like, then they're going to get emails that markets both Lead Lightning and your primary business. So it's going to plug both of the links, kind of like it's going to rotate them in an automated email follow-up campaign. So if this is all confusing, don't worry about it. It's really not. And if you have questions with how this works to implement in your business, like I'll put my contact details below. Anybody that reaches out to me and get started and invest, I will help you. I will personally help you. I've been marketing online now for over 5.5 years. So I'm not the best in the world, but I'm better, probably, I'm better than the majority, because the majority don't start, and the majority kind of dip their toes in the water. That's not been the case with me. I've really gone all in the last 3 years. I've been full time. And even before that, I was always investing and learning. So anyway, I don't want to get off topic, but I will help you. That's the point. I've been marketing long enough to know that I can help you, put together a page, a sales page, which is a marketing funnel that has an email follow-up campaign, and help, increase your business and grow your revenue. I mean, that's the whole goal of business, is keep growing it, get more customers. So look, if you're interested, you can click the button below and start a 7-day free trial. You'll get access to everything I just showed you, all of the lead capture pages, the different website templates, the sales page builder, even the blog. They have a power blog set up, but just keeping it, simple on a few features. The website builder is the most valuable thing, because you can go in here and you can actually modify pages like this that they give you. You can create your own custom pages. You can create, lead capture pages like I've done to generate personally branded, leads. And then you can sell your own courses on the back end. And the best part is maybe you make a lot of money at the same time. I wanted to show you guys a screenshot. I don't know if I can do that. But the other day, I made like $100 on autopilot from Power Lead System, and I didn't do anything. I had one of my customers in for a long time. They decided to upgrade, which means if you don't have products Power Lead System will give you products to sell. They have additional training products. They have the diamond level, the platinum level, and the top level, which all teach you how to get traffic in some unique way and how to generate leads and make sales. So it's every online marketer's problem being solved through those courses. So anyway, I made a sale of this course, but really the system did the selling, because he was right there in his back office, clicked and bought. And when he bought, I got $100 commission, and I didn't have to talk to him on the phone. I didn't have to chase him and follow up like a lot of times you have to do and other things. But it's nice when you have that system that does a lot of the actual selling for you without even being hypey one bit. Like, have that automated leveraged income that comes in. It gets paid every week. They pay you out every single week. They pay on time, every Wednesday at like between 8 to 10 in the morning. Depends, where you are in the world, but like on the mountain time, it's around 8:30. So on the East Coast, it's probably around like 11:30 or something. But they pay out every Wednesday. So when you start generating customers through Power Lead System, if that's a focus of yours, that's another income stream that you can have set up, even kind of passively, secondarily to what your main business is. Because the main objective of Power Lead System is, it really doubles over as a couple things. The main objective can be make a lot of money with it, like a business opportunity, like a standard affiliate opportunity or some kind of a network marketing business. That could be the main thing. But really, from a customer perspective, the main thing is to help you grow your business. So actually, the main purpose is to help you use it as a customer to grow a business, whether you choose to grow PLS as that business or you use it to sell your own courses or your own products. It's totally up to you. But that's what it is. It doubles over as two things, like a customer and an affiliate. So as a customer, you get the tool suite. You get all the tools to grow anything, to help you market anything. And then as an affiliate, you get the option to upgrade and to buy Power Lead System packages that then you can resell as an affiliate and make really good life-changing income with. And I'll get more into that in some other videos. So just subscribe, drop a comment below if this was helpful. And if you want help with whatever I'm talking about, with what I'm talking about today, anything really. I talked about a lot of stuff. Just reach out to me. Don't be afraid. Reach out. Send me a message on Twitter. Drop a comment underneath the video and subscribe so you see more of my future updates, and even share if you want. If this is valuable and you think someone else will benefit, I appreciate the heck out of that for sure. So with that said, I'm going to sign off. I will see you guys next time. Peace out. And as always, stay motivated. That's the biggest thing. Stay motivated and take action.